Well, I've been working on the fascia. That's what I've been up to. And you can see up at the top where it's darker, there was a board across that, and it was getting pretty rotten. This side was okay, but the other end over here was pretty rotten. It came out in pieces. So I'm going to replace that with a piece of rough cedar. That whole bit there. Let me take you up there and have a look at it closer. So yeah, it was rotten right in here. So not enough flashing, so I got it dug out of there. And I got the piece taken out, and I got to zip off some nails. You can see the roofing nails I managed to pop through. So I'm going to put a piece of cedar in here, and I'm going to put some proper flashing in there. The roof really needs redoing, but that's not in the budget. And I think what they've got here is a layer of plywood, a layer of roll roofing that covered over an old layer of wood and roll roofing. And you can see right here, they didn't quite stay level. So yeah, let me reach the camera up over top here. And you can see this slopes away, and the roll roofing is in the wrong way, so but everything flows up that other far end there. So that's got to be redone. So yeah, even on the scaffolding I'm pretty sketchy. I'm not good at with heights. So the long-term plan is to make the peak of that roof come straight across and go into that other roof. But that whole roof needs doing. That's not in the budget. But that'll give, I want this line to continue straight across over into the other roof. So yeah, I started that on Friday. Today's Monday. And I was going to work on it a little bit earlier, or a little bit before this and the other day. But I found out that got some squirrels, and I can still hear them, but a little flashing patch in there. I can hear the little footy prints still, so they're still getting in there. But I did that one, and come around the other side here. And I did that one. So the boards were a little rotten in there, so a little flashing patch, and should do it for a while till I get up there. So hopefully that does for a little while. But like I said, I still hear their little footy prints in there. I know I've got another one over here that I've got to do. I know they're getting in the roof right here. Oh, is that him there? Yeah, that guy. Yeah, so we got to do something about that. But that's at the extent of my ladder. And I have vertigo. So it's not really a good job for me. Look at the little bugger, he's like he's teasing me. Come on, focus. There he is. Look at him, just sitting out there staring in my roof. Little red squirrel. So yeah, we've got to block that hole off too with some more flashing. But yeah, like I said, after I get about 4 steps up on the ladder, I'm not doing much work because I need both hands to hang on. And I'm sweating. So even on the scaffold, I'm not great. So yeah, millions of little jobs like this. And yes, I literally got distracted by squirrels. So if that's not a sign of something, that's almost a meme, isn't it? So yeah, we're going to try to get a piece of cedar up here today. So I'm going to take the grinder and take off the nails that are underneath one of the layers of roll roofing. There's at least 2 rows of roll roofing up there, but there's some nails sticking down. I'm just going to take a zip disc and cut those off, and then fit a couple of pieces of cedar in there and get some proper flashing, and hopefully that fixes it. We'll bring you back when I get farther along. Well, I got the piece in, and I got it. The roof pretty much nailed down to it, and I was a little short, so... And I think that's it for the day. We'll get some flashing up there, and most of that join will be covered with flashing. But it looks better than it did. Not sure if I'm going to put a second piece down below that to make the whole thing cedar. I think I'm going to save money and just leave it like that. So yeah, just the flashing to do on it, and we'll wrap that up. And that'll be for what I'm doing on another day.